Hey, so I've been feeling sick lately, and I used a whole box of Kleenexes. And, I don't have any money to buy more Kleenexes, so I had to resort to finding toilet paper. But I live in a dorm where they don't use normal sized toilet paper, so I've been using this, just like this. And if you've ever seen, can you see it?
I can see it now.
Anyways, if you've ever seen one of these, you know that it's actually bigger than this. And I wouldn't gross you out by showing you how many Kleenexes I've used, but let's just say the roll was probably out to here before. And so right here I have this, and then this right next to me, and then this right next to me. And over in this area here that you can't see, there's a huge pile of tissues. That is what happens when you get sick and you don't have any money. So I'm sorry, ORU, but I pay you $30,000 a year. And all I get out of it, besides the degree and the education, is this roll of toilet paper. That's it. Goodbye.